What's going on, guys? Today I have this beautiful S5 and we are going to be swapping out the Quattro lights for the Audi beams. This has the beautiful red interior with the diamond stitch seating. I just can't get enough of this. Every time I see it, it looks so amazing. But all we're going to do is swap out the LEDs Quattro sign for the Audi beams. This is a genuine part number right here. I'll also leave a link in the description, but this should just be plug and play. Very simple and easy to do. We just simply plug these in and take the old one out. So to take the old one out, I have a flathead screwdriver and I've gone and taped up the tip of it so that I don't scratch any of the paneling. But basically the light that is up here from the bottom, we're basically going to stick our flathead screwdriver in right here and then pry down on it, and that will pop the light right out. So let's give it a try. Pops right out. You got the Quattro sign. Simply just unplug this. Simply unplug it. Plug in the Audi beams. Tuck it back in there. Push that right in there. You can see we've swapped it out for the Audi beams, and this is the part number for the Quattro sign. So again, leave that in the link below. Audi beams, you can buy these genuine Audi parts. I think they're about $150 to $200 on eBay. About $150. Audi directly from the dealer is about $200. Again, very simple and easy to do, but you can also pick up the knockoffs on Amazon for only about 25 bucks. The only thing is these lines aren't as crisp and clear on the knockoffs, and the light is not as bright on the knockoffs, but for 25 bucks, honestly, you guys can go get those for really cheap. The person who wanted these installed on their car, they opted for the genuine ones. So I said, hey, come on over, I'll just pop them in for you, and should be that simple. So that's it, guys. Repeat for the other side and you should be good to go. But check this out, man. I can't get enough of this car. It's not mine, but I do wish it was. So if you guys found the video helpful, please leave a thumbs up down below. I will see you guys in the next one. Subscribe to my channel for more car videos, and thanks for watching.